is DZOZ UHF TV Channel 33, a commercial TV station with 30 kilowatt transmitting power, owned and operated by Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated. Light Network transmitter is located at Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City, with NTC permit number BSD-0149-2013, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission on May 15, 2012, valid until May 14, 2015. Light Network transmitter is operated and maintained by the following engineers and technicians, duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Professional Electronics Engineer Antonio T. Soriano, PECE number 00042. Electronics Engineer Vincent G. Ronquillo, ECE number 47336. Oni Ray A. Ulang, ECE number 47499. Christine F. Salmorin, ECE number 49121. Glenn Aristilio Nor, ECE number 52560. First Class Radio Telephone Operators and Electronics Technician Charlie F. Perez, 06-1PHN-23257, ECT number 0073. Peter M. Basaliote, 06-1PNCR-23273. Gerald Lorenz O. Sandago, 06-1PV-23313. Nathaniel F. Santiago, 11-1PHN-26421. Arnold G. Cabran, 11-1PHN-26425. Light Network Studios are located at 22nd floor, Strata 2000 Building, F. Ortigas Jr. Road, Ortigas Center, Pasig City. This is Light Network, now signing on.